So yeah, we were meant to do so many things together, and there came a point where it became like, okay, which one of us doesn't want to work with each other? No,
It was her.
no,
It was
that's
her.
not true.
Was this before Shah Rukh Khan or after Shah Rukh
No,
Khan?
that's he's
After Shah
lying.
Rukh Khan, though, I completely let go things.
Allah,
आपने कहा छोड़ो
अब तो it's just done, you know. अब तो खुदाई ही नहीं चाहती तो फिर हम क्या करें?
Maya, do you get sick of the Shah Rukh Khan questions ever?
yes,
You do, na?
yes, I do. Look, Shah Rukh is Shah Rukh Khan, and Shah Rukh is
There's
also
no comparison.
he's just, yeah, Shah Rukh is Shah Rukh, but another thing is he is also my past
I'm the present.
Present?
and he is my present.
सुना आप लोगों ने? लोगों?
And you know, I do get tired, you know, and
Yeah.
especially the constant thing. आपको कैसा लगा है शाहरुख खान के बाद फहद मुस्तफा? I've been hearing this for very many years.
It's a very rare thing to say, but I'll put it this way. It's like people asking me about Amir Liaquat all the time. It's been 8-9 years. You know, it's you know, we have different careers, and she has different career.
जी.
शाहरुख is a different entity altogether.
जी.
मतलब अब आपका अपना बॉडी ऑफ वर्क इतना ज्यादा है कि उससे इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. You
Yeah.
know? तो अब आप गलत
हाँ.
comparisons जो है ना वो समझ नहीं आते.
तो सुने शाहरुख आपका पास्ट, ये आपका प्रेजेंट, फवाद खान आपका फ्यूचर, वो भी फिल्में आ रही
वो
हैं
भी
दो.
प्रेजेंट है ऐसा
नहीं, 2 फिल्में तो आ रही हैं ना
Of
उनके
course,
साथ, तो ये
of
बड़े
course.
हॉट टीन मर्द हैं आपकी
I
जिंदगी
do
में.
have to say that my past, present, and future is hot.
promising.
Promising.
Yeah.
Promising.
Very
So for both of us to come together, it was amazing. And
Hmm.
honestly, I said this over there also, but I really mean this, Amna. Like with Fahad, because I'm not very social, he's not social at all. तो हम लोग वैसे नहीं मिले थे, you know. We had no interaction actually. So to work with him, to be around him, to have acted with him, danced with him, I actually really, really respect him as an actor and as a human being, which is very important for me.
So what qualities of Fahad as a human being do you admire?
Well, I think he's one of those, I don't know,
Elaborate.
जी, elaborate one of those. कुछ भी हो
he's
सकता
super focused on his job.
है.
But he doesn't do it in a way कि oh मैं आ रहा हूँ and I'm in this zone of being a, you know, I'm doing some method or no. His method is there. You don't have to see it. You don't have to experience it by way of him sitting there and rehearsing with you and all of that. He'll just come there and you'll see the method. You'll see what he's prepared. And that's very, very cool to see because I myself, I'm a spontaneous actor. I like that. I enjoyed that with him as an actor. As a human being as well. You know, he's, I always say this, Amna, जो लोग अपने क्रू का ख्याल रखते हैं ना, अपनी टीम का, पता नहीं मुझे वो लोग बहुत अच्छे
बिल्कुल,
लगते हैं, बहुत
absolutely.
अच्छे लगते हैं.
Thank you, Maya.
Because मेरी जैसी टीम है वैसे he used to treat everybody in his team like family, like I do,
Because
है
for
ना?
a change, we have a team, Myra.
What do you mean?
It's like the people working with, you know, everybody. So we have exclusive people. They've been with us for quite some time now.
Yes, but not everybody. You know, there's a very big difference, Fahad. Like, you know, we sit and eat with everybody. That's what I love. I love that.
But good people retain good teams. Right?
Absolutely,
So ये बात
100%.
है.
You're so
ये बात
right.
है. Yeah.
ये आ गए इनकी
It's
team.
vice versa. You see,
आ
I
गए.
think
Absolutely.
आगे the
Well,
teams
वे
are
आ
vice
गए. हाँ.
managers ignoring us.
Managers.
Good people retain good
Yeah.
Yeah.
teams.
So that's what I would say.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
that's what I enjoy.
So when we talk about television, you're very much behind the scenes as a producer
Yes,
at Big
behind
Bang.
very much.
आपने ड्रामा किया हमारा इस साल, and do you would either of you think of coming back to the small screen?
We were thinking actually.
You were अभी ये मतलब
We discuss a lot of things, you know, but somehow they don't cultivate into, you know, anything real.
Okay.
But yeah, I think अच्छा है आपको. You should explore.
yeah.
You should see because the world was in a position कि आपको खुद नहीं पता. I cannot say that we can plan things and उसके accordingly सब कुछ हो जाए. But yeah, I'm open to a lot of things. So was she, and she did this play, which did wonderfully well. Everybody
Absolutely.
received it in a lovely manner. तो मुझे लगता है कि कोई बाउंड्रीज तो नहीं होनी चाहिए. नाउ जिस तरह का हो गया है दुनिया भर में मीडिया एज वी कॉल इट, डिजिटल कह ले, सिनेमा कह ले, ड्रामा, सो आई डोंट थिंक कि कोई बाउंड्रीज होनी
नहीं
चाहिए.
होनी चाहिए.
Whatever you feel like doing anything, you should just go
But I
ahead.
really admire this about both of you, that you're not in the public eye as frequently as most people are. And I think that's what makes you more, gives you more enigma. You know, the mystique of
That's
the big
because we're
star.
very lazy people. At
Very.
least
This is very true.
we
I'll
want
tell
to
you
be
something.
like that. But
So
No.
you
we
want to
can't.
do like the tuck, tuck, tuck.
No, not that. At
no.
least work a lot, you know. But it seems.
But you know,
case
you're
में-
so right.
Yeah.
पेट भर के हम दोनों लेजी हैं.
शदीद हम एक स्टिल शूट करना चाह रहे हैं 1.5 साल से वो स्टिल शूट है मैं अकेला कर लेता हूँ हम कभी उठते ही नहीं
जबकि आपके पास
We-
2 साल थे पैंडेमिक के
हम
वजह से
कभी
still
उठते
shoot करने
नहीं,
के
ये
लिए।
ये अपने आप बोल रहे हैं.
मतलब मैं
आप कभी
अपने आप को हम कह रहा हूँ
अच्छा हो. But it's so true. Like actually, I'm lazy. So when I read things about how like Myra Khan is doing all this
Yeah.
Doing
work
it like
and,
marathon,
Where?
he's
and
doing so much.
she has this glam, the pata nahi, whatever. I'm like, wow,
And she's
this is
snoring in the back
yeah, exactly. Because I'm lazy. I wish I wasn't, to be honest.
You two are lovely people. आपको इंजरी हुई stunts करते हुए आपने?
जी, I'm
You
still
had a
injured.
stunt man? Did you do your own stunts?
no there is no stuntman
Are
I
you
am the
insured?
stuntman. no hell
No.
no my wife knows कि कुछ है ऐसा उसने कराई हुई है मेरी मुझे बताती नहीं है
Insurance आपकी हुई हुई है?
kind of yeah.
Right.
so मैं डरा हुआ हूँ उससे you never know कुछ भी हो सकता
What is this insurance?
like if I die or something
No, not
Allah na
that.
kare.
So
No,
what else it
like
could be?
Hollywood stars have their body
I'm
parts
not
insured.
J-Lo
Like
or
J-Lo
something
has
like-
her
come
body
on.
parts
Ooh.
insured.
what body part would I get
Taylor
insured?
Swift has her legs insured. So
Nice.
I mean,
Really?
Yeah, yeah. So आपकी कोई body parts insured
मेरा
है?
कोई ऐसा है नहीं मामला
मगर इंजरी हुई आपकी?
जी वो मुझे हुई और अभी भी है and thanks to Nabil
क्या हुआ तो बताए ना?
Yeah, go on.
यार my heel got ruptured the first day in fact a day before the shoot तो हमारे यहाँ जैसे वो fight instructors खैर I respect them I love them they have their own way of working but that is not the way to work तो उन्होंने पहले दिन ही मेरी एड़ी को जो है वो फाड़ दिया
हुई.
and then playing a cop you know आपको you have to salute and there's action involved so the entire film that I did वो मैंने ऐसे ही किया और वो आज तक I carry that injury तो वो मुझे एक I have to go through an operation the doctors actually have
For your
told me
heel.
to but I'm just trying to you know shy away from it
Right.
so yeah thank you
Please करा लें and your stunts with the animals.
Swear, I mean, I'm not much of a, well, I like animals, but
दूर से.
I'm not like, you
So
know,
toughest animal कौन सा था to handle?
the hamster, no?
hamster yeah
You're kidding me. इतना सा hamster?
see because then
Because
they're not
we
actors
had to, first, yeah, they're not actors, but also we had to shoot a whole song.
Yes,
With the hamsters?
with the
Yes.
just one
I'm really looking forward to that.
Yeah. And guess who was scared of the hamster?
You?
You think?
that would be me
You was what?
Yes.
of course I'm okay with shareware but hamsters you know they
एक तो मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आता. I have another hero who's
scared of lizards
घोड़ास.
ghodas
घोड़ा तो खैर.
ghodas are chalo at least
At
but
least substantially big तो है.
I'm scared of cute things no she's beautiful
Right. आपको cute नहीं कहा, beautiful का है.
Yeah,
So you're not scary.
yeah, I'm not
Anyway,
scared at
guys,
all.
huge expectations from this film.
I know
And
Yeah,
a lot rides on both these films actually. London
Actually,
में
yes,
जाऊंगा भी आ रही है
yes,
seat
yes.
पे.
I hope that does
And
well
I
too.
hope that will do well,
Inshallah.
inshallah. And I hope Qaeda Azam does well, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Because yeah, these are two filmmakers very correctly put by Nabil, by Fahad, that these are the two filmmakers. I'm not saying that the others aren't, but you know, it's practice, right?
Yeah.
So it's a consistent filmmaking which gets you somewhere. And the fact that they keep on churning out films year after year after year, they've got their
Absolutely.